first debate, the topic of which model is benefit of. Okay, so we have two models as per the syllabus. One is OSI, that is the Open System Interconnection ISO model. That is the latest model we know it. Okay, and the previous version model is Transmission Control Protocol, or we can also call it as Internet Protocol. The previous version of your ISO, but both are beneficial definitely for society as well as communication for our subjects. Okay, in this, the two teams they are going to refer their topics as one of those, and they are going to see that what are the advantages and also what are all the valid points we are going for to use a communication network. If you are going to have your communication between the sender and the receiver, which model we are preferring? Based upon the application, based upon the data we are sending, they can able to choose and what are the points you can able to see them. So the first team is going to start for this debate, whether for TCP or OSI. TCP. Okay, anyone? Okay, Robert is going to start the debate for the supporting of the topic of the T for
First, the concept about the TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. It is a communication device that exchanges a message between the internet. There are 5 layers: networking layer, data link layer, physical layer, application layer, and transport layer. In my point of view, debate is for real-time application. TCP is the best choice. Many of the hardware industries and networking companies, they already choose the TCP, not OSI model. This is my point. So real-time application, TCP is the best.
Thus, given a valid point, and at least it's given a valid point about the TCP. So real-time application for this way is the best one. You will see what is the going to see about from the OSI model. Briefly is going to give the response for that point. You will see that.
OSI model. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. It is introduced by ISO in later 1970s. It is a theoretical model and has a foundations of modern networking. OSI model. OSI stands for Open System Interconnections. It is introduced by ISO in later 1970s. It is a theoretical model and it has 7 well-defined layers. They are application layer, presentations, transport, network, sections, and physical layer and data link layer. To making it easier to understand and troubleshoot the network issues suffered to the TCP.
What was the advantages of OSI model and what are the great specifications of OSI model? But still, the question given by not question, detailment given by Kathleen is a little open. Okay, so we told that she told that real-time application TCP is the best, but still we don't get the answers for that from the OSI model. Maybe we'll expect from the next person. And to add for the TCP, the next person is going to come from the TCP model. Is Rutra? Okay.
Yeah, because we told that they came from 1970s. They started. So the 1970s they have developed, just developed, but they have implemented in 1980s. But we are the senior for them. We implemented and also people came to use of it in 1970s. So we are the senior for OSI model. And also they told that they have 7 layers, so it's more complex. People always choose very reliability model that very easy to use. So we have only 5 layers. So even though they have 7 layers, our 5 layers cover all of the 7 layers. So we are very complex. Not complex. We are very easy to use. That's the problem.
TCP, the 5 layer is sufficient for communicating between the central receiver, where we have known for extra layers. And also they are mentioned as CDS, okay. CDS means that's the basic version. So the basic version is TCP IP. So from only they are implemented as an OSI maybe. Okay, I don't know whether how they are going to answer for this question and all. And already told that still one question is open, one statement is open. Now they are going to answer for these two valid points for this identity. So we are going to come for the so Logan is going to answer for these two statements. We'll see what are the
Of course, the represent that TCP came first. But just because they came, the TCP came first, doesn't mean they are better. OSI has 7 layers and they are independent by each of their functionality. TCP has just 5 layers and they are overlapping. So when they overlap, they get confused and the functionality gets mixed. So it is difficult for us to detect the problem. But in OSI, every layer has different functionality. So if error or problem comes, it is easy for us to detect where the problem has occurred and we can it's easy to rectify it. But in TCP, it's very difficult. So I think that's the major advantage of OSI.
say that two layers are overlapped, right? Okay, that's maybe a valid point from that side. So you can see that many other points are going to discuss for statement, next statement. So basically, IP side we're going to present next person.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, as Govinda said, there are like 7 layers which have their own different. But these 5 layers is very similar to those 7 layers because the application layer in OSI model is actually from the 7 layers, there are 2 layers which is combined application. And she said like they go through each process and everything. And she said it might be conditioned TCP, but actually it's not because TCP is a sliding window protocol to do this packet exchange, data packet exchange. So condition doesn't take.
For this statement, what's going to have a response? Survey is going to give the point for this statement. You'll see that.
Now I'm going to pitch for this speech. What is they said that all the companies are using TCP. Why they are using means they say no. The TCP is came first. Like after only OSI introduced. All the companies are invested for TCP in the first itself because if you start the company means you need to share the data. No, for the data you need to invest for any these protocols like OSI or TCP. Why they are using the TCP means they invested in the protocols for TCP first itself. So only they are using TCP nowadays. That's all. I think so. They are pitching like wrong speech, which is TCP has 4 layers only.
Surveys. Even speaker loud. Listen here. Even speaker loud. Told about that. Actually, not about the long speech. Yeah, they have mentioned as statement is false. Okay, not about long speech and all. Next one, what I told that. Starting from the basic version, it's going to be there. Again and again, same statement is given over that. Starting version, whatever we have for the same thing, okay, because that's only available, right? So from the TCP, what's going to give the other statement? You can see that Tamalika going to represent the next point.
My point of view, OSI is learning, but TCP is not theoretical, it is practical use. TCP is faster and widely used in the technology. It is practical.
Previously, we got a clear statement for the TCP participating is going to be complete.
Starting up that TCP is the original model, OSI is not one TCP in their opinion. Nowadays, the OSI model also used by companies like Uniper, Cisco, just like IBM. In OSI model, there are 7 layers, but TCP layer only 4 layers. But in TCP IP, troubleshooting is difficult compared to OSI model because of overlapping. In OSI model, we can troubleshoot by layer. If any layer get faults, we can identify easily by layer.
And the last person from the team is going to be Arish. Arish is going to give a last
TCP model, the cost is very low. OSI model is high cost. So people are actually using TCP.
last person from the OSA model team, Sudarshan, is going to do the statement. Let's see what is the.
So I accept this point because it was expensive. Because in OSI model, we have secured information to speak. We have a security in presentation layer and session layer. The presentation layer provide an encryption and decryption between the sender and receiver, and session layer provide an authentication session to provide some timer that will lead to problems. So expense is okay, but the security is important, I think. And then we have we provide a standard framework.
Okay, man, listen here. From the qualities, each person that does it will give the statement. Okay, so I'm going to give you a final chances to both of the teams. They can able to conclude their statements for that topic. Okay, any one person from each team can conclude their topic. Their topic or their model is best. So, from again, call from the this again only one can represent your. I have to conclude statement within 2 minutes.
Said that security is not in TCP. So yeah, it's correct. We have not inbuilt security. Even though they have only have frameworks like what security is called authentication, like layer. You told that authentication security and somewhat security standard. But we have only 5 layers. Even though we have the security called HTTPS and SMTP, and likewise there are more security layers on that. And he is talking about the OSI layer is even more secure, and they are talking more about that. But also TCP is in reality now. No one is going through OSI model. Everyone, like, you just take your mobile phone and go to Google and type and search anything. The model is worked by TCP and IP. Its workflow is all about TCP and IP. No one is using OSI model. And also, survey said that investors are already gave some money to TCP model. Investors, you know what is investing money to someone is not like joke. Investing money is about truth and faithful. So if you need to become an investor, you need to analyze everything layer by layer, and you need to make a decision. So if the stockholders make a decision to give the money to DCP means, then that's the answer for you. The DCP is the best, and always use it. And someone said that 4 layers are there, and there must be efficiency problem. I think so. So 4 layers are there, but they have 7 layers. Although or even though 7 layers are combined together and making 5 layers. So that's no problem. And the extra point is about we are using sliding window. There is 4 types of conversation. SYN and SYN is acknowledgement and some other things. So we already learned about this all in our class session, I think so. So if the acknowledgement is not correct, it request and get the acknowledgement back and give all the sources. So my point of view, TCP is always best, and literally we are using right now TCP. So TCP is always
Say that from each and individual person from the team, what are the points they have given the statement, they need to speak in the okay. And also I have added some of the statements that we be providing a strong or confident about that topic. Okay, they must depend survey research about the topic very. Okay, I have said that in the so maybe we have to same confidence level is having for the ISO team whether they also providing the any statements or research surveys are taken for this topic and whether going to be the proper or maybe a more profound research statement is the other one. Okay, who is coming for the day? Okay,
They are students said they use slide window, okay. But in OSI model we have 7 layers and each has its individual points with individual acknowledgement. So first is the security. The security in developing more security is the most important. So in OSI model we give security in each layer. But in TCP it does not work like that. And then troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is the server and the agent thing. TCP has many disadvantages like they cannot change, they cannot update their model. But OSC can be updated by giving minor changes to it. OSI is used in cloud computing and IoT, but TCP cannot be used in that.
this debate before and when we are going to I'm to give you a listen your thoughts for what are things what is okay, listen here. First of all, I have to say that what about the OSI? Okay, so actually, Sandesh told that everyone is clearly understood by the ISO model, OSI, Open System Interconnection, because there are 7 layers that are available. Okay, the 7 layers is actually not needed for further applications, for all the communications. Okay, if you are going to send the text document, there is no need of session layer, presentation layer, application layer. Okay, if you are going to send some documents and all, there is no need of presentation layer or application layer. Okay, so whenever going to send the audio or the video format, and particular only the application layer can be able to support with the OSI model. That's nothing but a particular app has to be supported to open, right? So if I open with the Word document, I cannot be able to see the video file. It's not possible. If I send the document, can you able to open the video file in the Word document? It is not support. So the app which can able to support the video format or video transcript will be only in the ISO model or OSI model. I can able to see it. Okay, and then the open system interconnection is an ISO. We know that what is ISO? Indian Standard Organization. Okay, but maybe international one to direct. So if you are have the format, that should be common. That's nothing but if you are buying a phone, we are asking that whether it's a keyboard, what type of keyboard, QWERTY keypad. It is common for all, right? QWERTY keypad is common for all. In all the people, there is any say. Listening WhatsApp also, there is QWERTY. So it is standard format, even though the language is not supported, if you know typewriting, you can adapt text. Order the language. Is that right? If you know the how to handwriting, the keyboard title or something, whatever language is in the keyboard, we can able to type it as well as the keyword. That's only the given as the call as keyword. Also, we are following the keys as ASCII format. ASCII is also the ISO, right? So it is a common for all. So even a baby can able to follow this type of OSI model. It's very easy for each individual to have sent the raw data mix. You can use physical data. If you have to send them data, more of data, so each one they are given separately. Is it like, listen here, ma. Just you compare with a real time monologue. If you go for 30 or 40 years back, okay, wow, there are only two groups involved. One will be the biology, another one will be the computer science. Isn't it? They may go for engineering or they may go for medicine. If they cannot be able to go for both the things, they can go to arts and science colleges. Isn't it? Because the number of seats are very, very less compared to nowadays. Isn't it? Only maximum 20 or 30 colleges will be available on the time for engineering. Even for medicine, it is very, very less than 10 colleges. Isn't it? Tamil Nadu. So most of them they will prefer go for arts and science, and from that even they will go for even our former president, who is that? Abdul Kalam. What is study actually? What is UG? No, it's arrow. What is his UG? He is basically civil engineer. Okay. How they became to go for ISRO scientist? Can you imagine that? He's basically civil engineer. He constructed many dams in Tamil Nadu itself. Okay. Then he interested and do the PG in aeronautics. Then only he got the job in ISRO. Okay, so we can take it out. So like this, we can able to have such an issue, say PCBIP. I told of the advantages of ISO, what are the advantages available, and go for TCBIP. If you go a decade ago, just a decade ago, you can see that the only transport available on those days are nothing but train, railway station. Like, even buses are also not there. If you have to go for a longer distance, and even you got to for abroad countries also, the train is the only possible condition. Is it right? No. There are no much more transporters are not available on this. Things that are available about the PWD. So likewise, TCP/IP is the only version when the internet evolution has been taken. Right? Because all those days, even buying a computer for a phone is a difficult task. You cannot able to afford that much of cost. And if you compare, if a single computer is that much of cost, you cannot able to afford it. Means how the lab will be, how the LAN connection will be. You are able to see the LAN connection anywhere. If you cannot able to see the LAN, then how you can go for MAN and LAN and all? Right? So this 1990s or something, if you go there, on that period, internet is not possible at all the cities. Is it right? Only in major cities will be available. You go for a rural, even that's not all. So on the time, if you have a browsing center, then you are the richest person. Is it right? On the time. So TCP/IP is the basic version we have started combining with LAN, MAN and MAN now. So the internet evolution has been gained up. After TCP/IP only, they have been break into version model for simplification. Actually, we have to give a statement as TCP/IP is not overlap because you cannot able to compare from ISO to TCP. TCP to ISO is the direct combination in evolution, right? So how can you able to say TCP is overlap? So there are 4 layers only available. In that 4 layers itself, the internet layer or session layer has been maintained already. In the ISO model only, it has been separated from that. Right, Amma? Just we have to say that in another example, if you buy a chocolate, okay, what? Each chocolate has a green cover. Isn't it? Each chocolate, chocolates have green cover. If you buy a Poppets and all, Poppets, Gems packet and all, where there is an individual packet in the chocolate is there, there's only one package, individual many more of chocolates will be available. Isn't it? The same thing only. The Gems packet is like a TCP/IP, and if you're buying the individual 1 packet or something, likewise like a sachet of chocolates or a sachet of lollipops, you're saying no, that is only ISO model. So many revised has been came from the TCP/IP to support individually, and the advantages, we know that ISO is having the highest advantages because each is doing that parallel work. They cannot discuss on the work. Session layer will do the session application. presentation area will do the what are the app has to support and app has to separately configure. So each is individually doing the work parallelly. So the time will be more consuming. That's only we are going for ISO OSI model. But TCP/IP is actually what are the given statement is it is the cost effective one. I'm not going to set the application for a WAN. I'm going to use only for LAN or WAN needs. TCP/IP is enough and still nowadays we are using it. Only for the WAN, it's a wide area network, we are going for the ISO model. Isn't right? So, this is actually about the conclusion of this topic. But we have to say in a team, the ISO model, the statement has been given, but some statements are repeated. I'm asking also your this also. Is it so? Some statements are repeated, right? And few of them has been decline in middle of the statement itself, isn't it? Okay. Even though we have to say an ISO over here also, anyway, it's not giving a value rate number. Just given a advantage about this cost okay, it's not cost. Likewise, given a single statement only. And even if we say for Tamalica is also, they given a single statement, but they can able to give more possible points. At last, we have to compare the valid points or value statements even after your argument. We can say that T which put more effort is TCP/IP one. Is it right? I think my point is any other statement for you? Any arguments or any transfer speeches? Tell me more.
TCP வந்து 1950 கவர்னன்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டாரு பட் 1970
Okay. That may be implemented, right? So actually, that's maybe even though the manufacturer create India previous one, but when you are going to buy the product from the shop, then we have to consider that expiry is gone on. Okay, like this, in itself, 1950s also we have invented, but there is no land condition on there. Only in our countries it's possible. Or in our India, single government for a home itself is not possible on the time. Okay, so we have been followed through even we take nowadays. Actually, in other countries they are using Wi-Fi technology, not Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi technology means at every statement we are going to every platform, whatever technology, mall, whatever we are getting a free Wi-Fi. But nowadays they are not even getting free Wi-Fi or not. Right? Not the Okay. Thank you.